Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to IT First Solutions. In this video we will learn about SQL Constraints. So SQL Constraints are used to specify some rules for the data to be inserted on your table. Let's say I want to set the product ID as auto increment, so I can define this constraint. So let's say a lot of time we need unique emails, unique passwords, unique usernames, or unique mobiles. You can define a specified column as a unique in SQL constraints. So these are the SQL constraints. If any violation is done with these constraints, the required action is aborted by SQL itself. The action, let's say if I have already inserted an employee with the name of Ali, and in my case if this is a unique column, then if a user try to insert Ali in that column, the SQL will shows an exception and will not allow the user to insert that value in that column, because that column is a unique and it already contains value Ali, for example. Okay, so let's understand how to create these constants. Create table, and then I will write table name as suppliers. Okay, and then I will use these parentheses semicolon over here. This is not necessary, but it is good practice to use this one. Let's say I want to add supplier ID as an integer, and then I will specify my constants. So let's say identity, I want to set it identity as auto increment, and then I also want to set that as primary key. So these are the constants. So this is one constant, this is an identity column, and this is an primary key column. Okay, let's add another column, supplier name, and then n varchar of 50, and then I will use another constant unique. This indicates that this column is unique. You cannot insert same value again and again in this column. Okay, so you can also set over here not null. Okay, so not null. Okay, and next we have another constant. Let's say I want to set address n varchar of 250, and then not null, and email n varchar of 55, not null. These are the basically constants. Okay, you can use this constant. We'll test this constant in a minute. Okay, let's say if we have only this column, you can also set foreign keys over here. Let's say we have this organization, and I will set organization ID integer, and then I will use the references, and then I will pass that entire column ID over here, and then table name over here, organization. Okay, and then specify this foreign key column.